Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and updating the phone so software errors aren't masking hardware issues. Once done, make sure case, screen protector, or dust isn't blocking the Truedepth array. Carefully clean the notch with a microfiber cloth and compressed air bursts at low pressure. Next, run a quick camera diagnostics by opening Face ID setup. This reveals if the sensor is responding. If Face ID setup fails immediately, you'll know the problem is deeper and proceed to the next technical steps. You now perform focus tests and gentle hardware checks to isolate the fault. First, reset Face ID and attempt a fresh enrollment. This rules out profile corruption. Then use the front camera in low light and portrait to see if the infrared dot projector and flood illuminator are functioning. Uneven or no dots indicate hardware failure. If software tests fail but the dots appear, you may carefully remove and reseat the display connectors, paying attention to the Truedepth flex cable and any visible corrosion or damage. You finish by replacing or repairing the defective component and confirming calibration. If the Truedepth flex or module shows damage, swap in a known good assembly, then reinstall the display using correct screw locations and torque to avoid pressure on sensors. Once reassembled, immediately run Face ID enrollment to verify functionality. Face ID requires module pairing and calibration that sometimes only Apple can perform. If problems persist or Face ID errors, reference hardware authentication.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.